eyelid rejuvenation entails both the upper and lower eyelids, but sometimes can also take into account the brow. So we try to evaluate all of that as one unit, and sometimes it can be done in combination with facial rejuvenation, but other times it's just the eyes that seem to be tired or sad looking. And so in elevating the brow, that helps get some of the excess skin off of the outside part of the eye if the brow is low. Then we also address the extra skin of the actual upper eyelid, and sometimes there's excess fat, mostly on the inside part of the eyelid. And in the lower lid, there tends to be some aging appearances there where people can look tired with puffy eyes, with a deep crease, which we call a tear trough. And so addressing not only the skin, but also the fat and the muscle in those areas can help give a smooth transition between your eye and your cheek.